I'm Kevin Hicks with the law offices of Kevin B. Hicks and Associates. I'd like to commend Judge Bill Adams and the Middle Georgia Justice Team for providing access to legal assistance to many Middle Georgia citizens who would normally have nowhere else to turn for help. As a legal advocate for fairness and equal access to justice, I've directed my law firm to make legal representation affordable for everyone. But unfortunately, there are many of our neighbors, friends, and family who simply cannot afford to hire a lawyer. Navigating our legal system is complex and full of pitfalls, but for some, they have no choice but to forego expensive legal fees and file and defend cases without legal representation. I have personally represented a mother who lost temporary custody of her child because she attempted to represent herself. She made critical errors. The circumstances of her case were remedied after our firm stepped in to assist her in reversing the errors and timely filing necessary motions. She did regain custody after a trial on those issues. That's where the Justice Brigade steps in. We go the extra mile to take on cases that assist some of our most vulnerable citizens who simply cannot afford legal representation. As attorneys, we are the gatekeepers of our profession, a profession that I take seriously. You see, we as attorneys provide a service to our community. We are advocates, a voice, a representative of someone who needs us to personify their position by assisting them through an emotional and stressful situation. And personally, I believe in justice for everyone, not for those who have economic means. Accordingly, I believe that we as attorneys should aspire to give back to our communities. How can we do that? By giving financially and/or through our services to the community. I choose to do both in my assisting the Middle Georgia Justice Team as a proud member of the Justice Brigade. So help us. Help those in need of access to fairness, access to assistance, and access to justice. I'm Kevin B. Hicks, and I fully support Middle Georgia Justice. So join me by giving to this more than worthy endeavor. Whether you give financially or donate your services, you will be fulfilling the aspirational aspects of a craft we all respect. Remember, it's not only our profession, but for most of us, it's our calling. Join us.